Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to our new session. How have you been? Hope you all are pretty good. This is our third session of first chapter, which is our earth in the solar system. Now let's have a fun learning about the earth. The earth. Our home planet, the earth, is the third nearest planet to the sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges in the middle. That is why its shape is described as a duet. Duet means the earth like shape. The only natural satellite of the earth is the moon. From the outer space, the earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by the water. It is therefore called a blue planet. It has four major components called rims of the earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Before going to know about all these things, I have a small question for you from Think and Respond. What do animals and plants require in order to grow and survive? Animals and plants require water, air, sunlight to grow and survive. Plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight with the help of water and air. This process is called photosynthesis, as you have studied in your science. Animals too require water to quench their thirst, air to breathe, and sunlight to escape from harmful bacteria. The Earth is the most suitable planet to support life. It has four major components that we call as the rims of the Earth. That is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The first three components along with the suitable climate makes life possible on the earth. This is called the biosphere. Now let's have a look at each of the spheres. First, lithosphere. The word litho is derived from Greek word which means land and rock. The lithosphere is the land on which we live. It is the solid outer layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soil. Hydrosphere. The word hydro is also derived from Greek, which means water. The hydrosphere consists of water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps on mountains, tanks, etc. Now, atmosphere. Atmosphere is also derived from a Greek word. Atmos means air. Atmosphere is a layer of air that surrounds the earth. Different types of gases makes up the atmosphere. The major gases are nitrogen, oxygen. The other gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon and ozone are the present in smaller amounts. Air consists of 78% of nitrogen in it and 21% of oxygen. Now, biosphere. The word bio is also derived from Greek word bios, which means life. All living things existing on the land, in the water, and in the air, together called as biosphere. It consists of planets, animals, bacteria, and other tiny organisms. Okay, students, after knowing all the spheres, you would get a question that how can you say that our Earth is a unique planet in the solar system? Yes, it is because of other planets does not support to live in. To live, we must need the basic components like water, food, plants, and oxygen, for which the other planets does not exist. The other planets does not support to live in. Satellite. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planet moves around the sun. Mercury and Venus do not have their satellites. All the other planets have satellites. The Moon. Our Earth has only one natural satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is only one quarter that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than the other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 km away from us. Now you can compare the distance of the Earth from the Sun and that from the Moon. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin, that means one rotation. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. The Moon does not have conditions favorable to life. It has mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. These cast shadows on the surface of the Moon. Do you know, students? Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, was the first man to step on the surface of the Moon on 21st of July 1969. You know one thing, students? Light travels at the speed of about 3 lakh km per second. Yet even with this speed, the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth, and the moonlight takes 4 minutes to reach the earth. Okay, students, we will end up here. If you didn't understood the concept, watch the video twice or thrice. Allah Hafiz, students.